There we go. You saw that one? We're doubled up. Coming in the net. Yes. What is going on, guys?
What's going on?
Welcome back to another episode. We're gonna be headed out to port once again. Early morning sesh this morning. It's about 6 o'clock. Aiden just picked me up. We're headed to port right now. Hopefully we can skein bang out a few.
Throwing our bobbers down. Bite's still hot. It's getting later in the season, but harbor bite's still been hot.
Stick with us, stay tuned. Let's go drop some floats, baby. Here we go. Oh. Oh, the sun. There's one. Pull up, pull up, pull up.
No, he left it here last night and went back to the gate and
Yeah, in the other side, in the other side.
I think it's over.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna come down here. There it goes. Damn it. Damn it. Bye bye. Bro, somebody pooped on the thing. Here's one. Get the net right here. Don't go under there, please. There we go, I got it out here now. Oh, it came running at me.
Okay, turn it to the right. Watch your bobber. Don't let it
You got him? Hell yeah.
Pretty fresh.
Yeah, go grab the camera quick. I got the fish.
First fish landed of the day, boys. Pop the hook out of the mouth here. There we go.
On the skein. There we go.
He's gonna go right away.
There we go.
Sweet.
Hell yeah.
Get it.
Let's get it. Well, I was only fishing with one rod. That's the problem. There's one. I just retied, dude. Just retied.
Oh, this one's big.
Is it?
I think so. I saw the deal on that.
Oh, it's a big. That's a big. I don't think it's a buck.
No, that's a buck. It was a fish, though.
All right. Coming up.
It's gonna be a while, I'll tell you that right now.
I know.
Oh.
I got my drag pretty tight. Pretty tight.
Open water.
Look at those head shakes, dude. Dude, just after I retied, that was 2 seconds. We're doubled up. Oh, oh jeez. This is gonna be.
I'll try to keep it here.
All right. I think that's a female, dude. Look at how fat it is. Oh, that's a mama. That's a mama. That might be tight.
This is a mama, you're right.
I had a feeling, bro, with the back.
Dark ass mama, though. I don't know.
It's not that dark, dude. I'm telling you. It's really not that dark. Right here. Coming in the net. Yes. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Okay, switch. You can come on out.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Dude, watch us double up. We gotta get a double pick, dude. Go. Alright guys, well this is my second fish here in about 5 minutes. Big female, she's egging, so I got my finger up her right now, but
Pete, I lost another one.
damn it, dude. Alright, well we're gonna get her back here. Let's grab a pick quick. Alright, we're gonna get a release on this real quick. She's ready to go. She'll go here.
Yeah, she's gonna go here in like a minute. There she goes. She's swimming away.
There we go. Dude, this thing is just dead weight.
Ooh, is that a chrome female? Do not lose. Watch that motor.
I know.
Okay. I think we'll do.
Dude, I cannot lose this fish. I cannot lose this fish. This might be tight.
We need the SKEIN, dude.
Go. Make sure you go for the head if you get a shot. Look at this rod bend, guys. It's doubled over. Yes. Oh, good net. Thanks a lot, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you a lot.
You know what it means.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Look at that fish, guys.
I'm just gonna sit there and drink scotch.
Oh, she's tight, I think.
She might be, dude. She might be.
Try not to let her jump through. She's spewing. Nope, she's loose.
Really? Alright, well here's the hook.
Light just came out.
Here's the hook. Keep that. Bleeding in the mouth there. You can pop her out. Oh, look at that. Just pressure. All pressure on that fish. Got her? Yeah, I got her.
Hey, thank you.
Look at that. Not a giant, but awesome fish. You want it? Yeah. There you go. All right, here you go. Do you want to maybe put your finger in there while you carry her?
Sure. Just so it doesn't leak everywhere.
Otherwise, it's gonna go everywhere. Got it? Got it? There you go. It's all yours.
Enjoy. That's a pretty fresh fish. They said that this month, or I'm sorry, so last month.
Yeah. Hey, get that drag. Your drag's loose as shit. All right, guys. Aiden has not landed a fish all day.
I thought that was my fish.
This is a big female, I think, guys. This is a lot of weight. A lot of weight.
That was super tan, whatever jump, male or something. But he's only got 10-pound test. He's kind of an idiot.
This has been non-stop action for us today. Just bobber down after bobber down.
So land this. Stop talking about it.
I'm trying. Big head shakes.
Oh my god. Hasn't come up yet, guys. We have no idea what this is. Well, we know what it is, but
For all I know, this is a lake sturgeon.
it's a sturgeon, boys. The way he set the hook on that, it could be a whale shark. We might not know.
Oh my god.
Just don't let it rub on there because you only got 10-pound test. If your line touches that, you're screwed.
Look at the swirl.
Giant female. Thank you.
Well, let's just get that taken care of right now.
Alright, yeah, good idea.
Come on, please come up. Please come up. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, big bone. There we go. There's the hook. Take a look at the size of that male. This is an absolute beast of a fish. And boy, does that feel good to land one. I've been struggling all day to land these big tanks here, but finally got one in the bag. Oh, there he goes. Wait, there he goes. All right, guys. What a fight. What a battle. All right, we're gonna get back at it. Bite's hot right now. Let's go. Okay. Thanks for that net job. That was like 10 seconds. Look at this big ass hook.
One you had, you
There
said,
we go.
hey, oh,
saw that one? Dude, this thing's heavy.
Have you seen it yet?
Nope. This might be the land of giants right here. It's head shaking like crazy though. All right, guys, this might, oh, okay. Oh, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. Hey, I'm over by them, tell them. Look at those head shakes, god damn.
And the hand combat.
Yep. Head shakes.
Buck.
That's alright.
Way to turn that fish. Keep going, just like trolling.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, baby.
Thank you, sir.
Go fishing on that man for you.
All right, bring it over here before it
let's
starts.
bring it on there.
I got it.
Another fish. Gorgeous male. We're gonna get a quick pick and get it released quick. All right, guys. Giant buck. Low 20s probably. Release here real quick. Oh shit. Oh, he kicked. We're good.
There we go.
Hell
Good job, man.
Let's go.
Thanks for the net job, man. Let's go.
You want a fish? No.
That's like Benny.
Yeah, it does look a little bit like Benny. Such a round.
Got him? Yep. Guys, this is ridiculous.
Pretty big. Oh yeah. Still got the skein in its mouth.
Yeah. I'm gonna drag him in here. That was the goal.
Never do what we want them to do.
No,
They got a mind of their own.
more than that.
I'm not gonna do it.
No, I'll turn him in here.
Not worth it.
There you
I
go.
know better than that.
Thank you, sir.
They got to be good at something.
Right in the lip. I'm not even keeping track anymore. Small little buck, not giant, but we're just gonna get this guy back right away. I don't need a pick. All right, he's ready to go. Ready? There he goes.
Off he goes.
Catch and release.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. Yeah. Oh my God.
Yes, I love you so much. But I have to watch the bobbers right now. Now Rhea can take her.
You gotta be me.
Yep.
Hey, Wendy, get out of the water.
Wendy!
Get out of the water.
Aiden, land this. You got it. You got it. Just don't horse her. Just don't horse her. All right, guys. Big camera's dead, so this is the view we're getting right now. I'm netting this fish ASAP.
Pretty long. This thing sent my bobber under. I said we sent mine out.
I've never heard that one before.
Big buck.
Let's go. Finally. Jeez. Just landed.
I know.
My second male of the day here. What a beauty fish. Put up a pretty good fight. I got that fish in pretty quick, which I'm happy with. Our GoPros are almost out of storage here. We've been
Everything's
catching so
dead.
many fish, but-
Everything's out of storage.
Alright, second male.
This guy's gonna be ready to go here any second. Shake it a little bit, or go back and forth. I mean, like rock it back and forth. Yep, there he goes.
All right, let's go.
Shoot, let's go.
It's been in your possession.
Holy shit. Oh, there's she goes.
Well, kick it in, mate. Good jump, man. Well, it's mostly getting back. Go hook her back up and get her back close.
I got one in. Still on?
Yep. He's coming. Oh, might have popped.
Here he comes, here he comes.
Oh no, she's still on.
Right on that sponsor.
How did I save that? How did I save that?
Dude, that's awesome. Keep it going, man.
Guys, I'm exhausted. I've done this 14 times today. At least. Alright, here she goes.
Ooh, it's big.
There she goes. And then my SD card's full. How did I save that, dude? Holy shit. There she goes. It's a male. It's a male and he's awake.
See it?
Yeah, it's a big male. Here he comes.
You want that much?
Don't go into that motor. Come back up. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. Jeez. This guy's giving me a run for my dollar here. Holy shit.
He just means the same area that he was just handing him his butt. I mean it in a bad way.
Big male.
That's big.
Right in the
Big.
cake.
That's a big male. Big male. If I land this, that's gonna be pretty dope. Pretty dope. Let me back up here. I'm gonna try and just turn him right into you. He doesn't want to turn yet. And oh, come on, come on. Here he comes. Oh yeah.
They don't call me the last man for nothing.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
Watch
it.
your bobber, don't smash that up.
Yeah, ooh, that's a big one.
That one's been messed up a couple
big.
times.
That's giant. Yeah, mid-20s probably, but here, look at this. Come look at the hook here. Do ya?
20.
That's probably mid-20s probably, right?
Alright guys, this is my 7th or 8th landed of the day. I honestly lost count, but we're gonna get this big old male, God. Big old male back. It's honestly a miracle that I even landed that fish. It took me under 2 boats, 2 docks, like 3 different times, and managed to land him. Oh, hold on. He's gonna go here in like 2 seconds. Watch this. Yep, there he goes.
Rod tip.
Alright guys, that is going to do it for today. Absolutely unbelievable. I couldn't even believe how many bobber downs we were getting. Aiden had a rough day. He didn't land very many fish. I don't even remember how many fish we caught. I landed 8, I think. But but he lost his portable. And
yep, portable is in the bottom of Port Washington Marina. I mean, I've never had a day that great before, and that was absolutely insane. I couldn't even wash off the skein off my hands before my bobber went under.
if you guys want to go check all our links down below, we got the Della Bay rods, Follow the Action merch. We got everything down in the links below. You can get percentages off using the codes I'll link down below. With that all being said, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys go leave a like down below. Hit that big red subscribe button if you're new. Leave a comment, and we will see you in the next game banging video.
Peace out.